Hello everybody. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So we look carefully. We have x to the power of 4. We put number 4 gone here. So 4 plus 1 we have number 5. This one we have number 5. So we have the final answer in here. For this one, we need to expand. So number 2 I will put in here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. This one that is about number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. 1 plus 1 we have number 2. And the last one that is about the constant. So you would ask number 6 divided by number 2 we have number 3. Now we can do similar for the next one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.